Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Lincoln Navigator versus the Cadillac Escalade. We'll explore their key features, performance, and interior comforts to help you decide which luxury SUV best fits your needs. We'll also look at their cargo capacity and overall driving experience, ensuring you have all the information to make an informed choice. When it comes to performance, the Navigator often relies on a powerful twin-turbo V6 engine, providing smooth and responsive acceleration. The Escalade, on the other hand, frequently boasts a V8 engine, known for its commanding power and distinctive sound. Both SUVs integrate sophisticated adaptive suspensions, ensuring a remarkably comfortable and controlled ride, whether you're on city streets or open highways. Inside, the Navigator creates a serene sanctuary with its plush seating and high-quality finishes, focusing on a truly relaxing experience. The Escalade impresses with its cutting-edge design, featuring expansive curved OLED displays that integrate seamlessly into the dashboard. Both models are packed with intuitive infotainment systems and comprehensive driver assistance features, making every journey safer and more enjoyable for everyone. Considering cargo, both SUVs offer ample space, with the Navigator's long wheelbase option providing particularly expansive room for luggage or gear. The Escalade also delivers substantial cargo capacity and versatile seating, adapting well to various needs. Ultimately, your choice depends on personal preference for style, engine, and interior feel. Check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.